Hi there, Ashley from Numisma here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a customer within our bookkeeping module and raise a sales invoice. Now, there's a few different ways you can create customers. The first is to go up to the top right-hand corner and select the plus button, and you can select new customer here. You'll also note you can raise a sales invoice here as well. But I'm not going to use this, but you can use this at any point in time. Now, on this page as well, you can select the new invoice or new customer. And you can do that from the dashboard. Alternatively, you can go to sales. And on the sales page, you've got the new option in the top right-hand corner. So we can actually select new invoice here. And it will take us to this invoice page. So as we're invoicing, if we realize that, hey, I want to invoice to a new customer, you can actually select this plus button and we can then enter the new customer's name. So let's just put Mo, I don't know how to spell his name. Let's put Mo Sislak. And then if you wanted to add additional details, you can select the plus, but I don't need to in this scenario. So I'm just going to select save. That then creates the new customer within the account, and I can then raise a sales invoice and address it to that individual. I can change the invoice date. So let's put the 1st of January 2020. And then we can select our income type. Enter a description. The unit price, which would be the price per unit that we're selling. So let's put 10. And then we can put a quantity. So let's say they play 5 games of bowling. Enter a VAT rate. And then finally, you can then select save. That then lists the sales invoice on the sales dashboard, and you can see that it's currently outstanding. So this individual owes me £60. And then when you receive a payment, you would then be able to mark it as paid and also enter the payment method as well. So if they were paid into the bank account, you can mark it as paid via bank, or alternatively, if a director was paid, then the director could be paid personally. That's it for this short video, but if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with our support team on 020-3021-2326 or support@numisma.co.uk. Thank you.